Leveraging Fitbots AI to write the perfect OKRs is an incredibly efficient and time-saving process. If you're in a team and you're ready to write OKRs, you can use the AI assist to craft the perfect OKR in just a few seconds. It's as simple as providing the industry name and the metrics or initiatives you want to measure or track. You can find the AI assist feature in two places within a team. If you're getting started with a new team, select the AI assist option. Alternatively, while adding an objective, open the Add Objective drop-down and select OKR's AI Assist. Now, provide the industry name and the specific metrics or initiatives you want to focus on, then click on Generate. Once the AI has crafted the perfect OKR for you, click on Install to add it to your team. And just like that, your well-crafted OKR is ready to go. You don't have to be in the team to use the Fitbots AI Assist feature. Go to the navigation sidebar from any screen and select Fitbots AI Assist. Follow the same process as before and then choose the team where you want to install the generated OKR. That's it. With the Fitbots AI Assist, you can quickly and effortlessly generate precise and impactful OKRs, whether you're setting up a new team or refining OKRs for an existing one.